Welcome to the Tin Can Twosome. Today we present to you Bombay Beach. Not this one, but this one. Located on the east side of the Salton Sea and 177 feet below sea level, right on the shores of the Salton Sea. Bombay Beach is an absolute phenomenon. You have to see this incredible place. So without further ado, welcome to Bombay Beach. Let's show you what's on the other side of that sand berm. Normally, a sand berm is used to protect the lands and ecosystems from erosion, flooding, or wind. And that may be why it was originally built. But this particular sand berm hides something very special. A lot of people like to park up here, right before you enter the beach. We chose a different route, which is equally okay. What we chose to do was to drive up the road past this star installation. And you see that road on the right? Not the one leading to the left where people are walking, but the one to the right of that. That is a path onto the beach, which takes you within walking distance of every piece of art. Before we continue, I'd really like to ask you to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. This kind of art found in Bombay Beach is what we call found art. Items found in the desert are reclaimed and reused to create these incredible art pieces. I can only imagine where they found some of their pieces. And it's not just artists or tourists who like to come here. Often, the art in Bombay Beach reflects themes of impermanence, environmental decay, and resilience. All over the beach we found these mailboxes, and of course David had to give them one of our cards. If you happen to be one of the lucky ones who found one, let us know in the comments. I'm not totally sure, but I suspect that not all of the pieces we see were placed there by an actual artist. Kind of fun, huh?
Yeah.
Haven't swung since I was a kid. This artwork is absolutely insane. It's out on a totally dried out beach, and every piece is pretty far apart from all the others, and they're just fascinating. I mean, there's some real talent out here. This is worth driving to go see. We drove about almost 2 hours to get here, but it's worth it. Despite its struggles, Bombay Beach has become a symbol of resilience and creativity, making it a fascinating destination for those seeking something truly different. You will definitely find it here. This place is so interesting. In the middle of nowhere, we have a tiki bar. What happens at the tiki bar stays at the tiki bar.
There are no words to describe this place. It is very quirky and very fun and very creative and just odd. Very odd.
Very odd. And of course, a place for ice cream. Wouldn't mind if there was some. But nope. Monolith. And what are they talking about? this.
Can Wendy come out to play?
Here I am.
Art resembling real life can definitely be found here, like this phone booth, for example. What you see now is what the sun does to everything left exposed in the desert. And finding a phone booth, that just led to David channeling his inner Superman. And yes, a lot of the art is actually interactive. It's really fun to take part in it. Let your inner child come out. Have fun with it. David certainly is.
Yes, my son, and what is it that you've done? You did what?
No disrespect was intended for genuine confessions. And if any actual church services have been held here, let us know in the comments. I've been told that the sunsets here can be pretty spectacular. Wouldn't it be fun to sit here with your friends and just watch the sun setting over the Salton Sea? ETA, never. I like this. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. We gave them one of our cards. If you're the one who finds this card, please let us know. Here's another example of found art, a toilet with an ocotillo plant. Some of these pieces of art are almost eerily realistic. This airplane is one of the most popular art installations on the beach. You could even climb in it, which I hear a lot of kids enjoy. And also some adults. And now, heading back into town to check out Bombay Beach herself. At the Bombay Beach Drive-In, old rusted cars and trucks are arranged as if parked for a movie night. Many of these vehicles have been creatively modified or painted, adding to their artistic appeal. And the cars are left intentionally in a state of decay, blending with the desolate surroundings.
Looking forward to the film. They're showing Life is a Beach.
The Ski Inn, a rustic bar and diner, serves as a social hub for locals and visitors alike. The Bombay Beach Opera House serves as an intimate venue for music, theater, and other artistic performances. This small, quirky town was once a booming resort destination in the 1950s. Then it fell into decline due to the Salton Sea's environmental issues, including increased salinity and pollution. Today, Bombay Beach is a blend of abandoned ruins, artistic revival, and a unique cultural landscape that draws travelers, artists, and photographers, as well as people like us who are just simply curious. And yes, this is just an art installation. The creativity of the art around this town is simply mind-blowing. There's so much left to see. We absolutely have to come back. Thanks so much for coming with us. Pretty soon we'll be putting out a video about Salvation Mountain.
Who are you calling, Dave?
I am calling Joe Biden
Why?
because I don't know what to say.